Mentioning of Central Jail Karachi makes one visualize dangerous prisoners, chains, torture and gallows. The truth to a certain extent is different. For instance, as soon as we enter the jail's School of Fine Arts, we find ourselves in a different world. There, those rejected by the society, accused or convicted of involvement in macabre crimes, leaving their past behind, are busy learning various arts and crafts. For almost a decade now, French diplomatic as well as cultural missions have been supporting the cause of Karachi jail prisoners' reformation by means of art. Consequent Consul Generals, Monsieur Pierre Seyon, Monsieur Christian Ramache, and Monsieur François Delorceau, along with directors of Alliance Française de Karachi, presently Jean-François Chéna, have been visiting the jail and organizing expositions of canvases painted by the impressionistic artist at Alliance Française's main art gallery. Fourth such week-long exposition titled Basti to Karachi Jail, featuring some 65 pieces of impressionistic art, was organized jointly by Alliance Française de Karachi and News Pakistan TV, official partner BBC News. Ambassador of France, Her Excellency Madame Martine d'Orange, in her message held, "The use of art for reformation in jail is an excellent initiative which should be pursued in the future." Chief Minister Sindh, Syed Murad Ali Shah, said, "I, on behalf of Government of Sindh, fully support News Pakistan TV and Alliance Française de Karachi's endeavor towards reformation of prisoners by means of fine art." On 8th of July, Consul General of France, Monsieur François Delorceau, inaugurated the exposition of 65 pieces of impressionistic art. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, he spoke about the continuous support of French diplomatic and cultural missions for the cause of prisoners' reformation. Mr. François Delorceau told that as usual, all proceeds will be given to the impressionistic artists. A number of people spoke on the occasion.
So it's the third time I'm attending this exhibition, and each time it's very nice and very colorful. And I like the fact, of course, that the prisoners find a space to free themselves from the walls they are in.
ये वाली एग्जीबिशन बहुत अच्छी है सोसाइटी की डेवलपमेंट के लिए। प्रिजन जो है वो सिर्फ नेगेटिविटी की चीज़ नहीं है, वहाँ से पॉजिटिविटी निकल के आ रही है, वो लोग डेवलप हो रहे हैं, उनकी थिंकिंग डेवलप हो रही है, ये चीज़ शो हो रही है।
हमें जो है वो अच्छे काम की तरफ जो है वो बढ़ना चाहिए, और प्रिजनर्स और बाकी तमाम वो लोग जो एलिवेटेड नहीं है सोसाइटी में, उनकी एलिवेशन के लिए कोई ना कोई स्टेप लेना चाहिए. सो इट्स अ वेरी पॉजिटिव स्टेप.
On 14th of July, selected 23 paintings were displayed at the National Day of France reception held at the residence of the Consul General of France. The prisoners' works were appreciated by members of diplomatic corps and hundreds of crème de la crème of the metropolis, including Governor of Sindh. On 25th of July, Consul General of France, Monsieur François Delorceau, awarded certificates of appreciation in recognition of excellence in visual arts to all the 25 impressionistic artists who participated in the exposition. Addressing the prisoners, Consul General assured of the continuous support of French diplomatic and cultural missions in the future. G.M. Jamali, Secretary General, Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists, said that life in prison was not alien to journalists, and thus they wholeheartedly support reformation via art. Editor News Pakistan TV, M.M. Alam, informed that MOU signed between Inspector General Prisons and President Arts Council will make provision of syllabus, examinations and due certification possible. Inspector General Prisons Nusrat Hussain Mangan told that affiliation of jail's School of Fine Arts with an institute will make awarding diplomas possible, facilitating the jail authorities grant permission to the impressionistic artist according to their performance. Director Alliance Française de Karachi, Jean-François Chena, who happens to be a prolific writer and digital artist as well, said that he was proud to be part of the endeavor towards reformation of prisoners. He presented 2 of his digital works to senior impressionistic artists. A miniature model of rickshaw made of beadwork by an impressionistic artist was presented to the Consul General of France, Monsieur François Delorceau. On this occasion, an impressionistic artist presented a painting titled Bastille to be hanged at Alliance Française de Karachi.